Charlie Cushane here. I installed an S&B fresh air intake about a year ago, about 10,000 miles, in my 2001 Ford F-350 you see behind me. And I noticed something the other day that is starting to look dirty and has some things in it. So let's go take a look and we'll clean it out today. Okay? Come on. So here's my truck. And the fresh air intake on the right hand side here, as you can see, I mean the cover's dirty obviously, but look inside and you'll really see what I'm talking about. See all the leaves and other debris in there? So we're going to take this apart and clean the filter and put it back together again. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we have to do, I think, is clean off the cover because it's full of dust. And I wetted a towel. Now we take the cover off. There we go. Wipe around the edge. Oh my goodness, look at the leaves in there. That's incredible. So now we gotta take the filter out. All right, got my socket. And let's wheel it out. And there we go. Whew. Now I know the purists out there would say, just bang that out. So I'm going to try to bang it out. There's flies in there and all kinds of stuff. I'm going to try banging it out gently. And then if that doesn't work, I'll resort to using air. It actually worked pretty good, as you can see by all the dirt on the ground. Now if you stay far enough away, you can get the rest of it. There you go. Okay, now to do the cleaning of the filter. You get your cleaner. This is for any kind of cotton air filter cleaner. And you liberally spray it on and let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse off with water. Okay, it's been soaking for about 5-10 minutes. Now it's time to like hose it off gently. As you can see, that water coming off. I'm really soaking it gently. That's about as clean as I can get it. Now, we let it dry. Alright, I found some sunlight. As you can see, the filter's pretty clean. Light coming in everywhere. That's a really good indicator. Okay, the next thing we have to do is take our air filter oil and give this filter a really good coating. Back to the beginning. That's looking pretty good. Let that soak in for a few minutes and then decide if we have some spots we have to redo. Okay, the filter is all re-oiled. Looks beautiful. And it's ready to be reinstalled in the truck. So let's get going. Okay, the filter's all re-oiled. Now I just put it down in. There we go. Not too tight. There we go. Nice and solid. That's not going anywhere. Okay. Now we make sure this is clean. Okay, and we put the cover back on. That's clean. And we're all set. That is all done. Ready for another 10-20,000 miles. And it's been working great, and I hope it continues to work great. Sweet.